have actually wondered, why do people let their pet cats roam around the neighborhood? Because, for one thing, it's a nuisance to the other people that live in the neighborhood, the neighbors, because cats do poop and pee. And the thing about cat poop and cat pee is that they are both poisonous. And according to this one website, onebiorange.com, being exposed to cat poop and cat pee can cause a lot of health problems. But even aside from cat poop and pee being poisonous and posing a health hazard, okay, the smell of cat poop and cat pee is just very unpleasant and it's very strong. Cat pee has a lot of ammonia in it, and that just makes the smell of it, the smell is just really overwhelming. But even aside from, just the cat poop, the cat pee, there's the local wildlife. When people let their pet cats roam around the neighborhood, it does pose a threat to the local wildlife. And I'm really talking about the smaller animals like the songbirds and the chipmunks and squirrels. I have actually seen a cat walking around with a bluebird in its mouth. I have seen a cat with a cardinal in its mouth. And one time I was out walking and I saw a woodpecker on the ground with no head. And a cat had obviously chewed the woodpecker's head off. So this is something that cats do when they are allowed to just be loose like that. They not only kill birds, but they kill chipmunks, I've seen that, and squirrels. Aside from just posing a threat to smaller animals, okay, cats themselves are put in danger when they go out and are allowed to just roam around the neighborhood by themselves. They're put in danger by animals that are bigger than they are, like the raptors. Okay, and when I say raptors, I mean the large birds, such as the eagles, hawks, and the falcons. Because the thing about cats is that raptors will see them as prey. Cats can be attacked by other animals that are larger, such as possums, raccoons, and also larger dogs, and feral cats as well. Feral cats pose a threat to house cats that are allowed to roam around. Cats also end up being endangered in other ways when they're allowed to just roam around the neighborhood. Okay? And one way is just the threat of contracting different types of illnesses, such as mange and bacterial infections and infestations like ticks and fleas. When people let their cats roam around, they don't really consider the possibility that they are, putting their pets in danger. But this is something that I wonder about. I wonder why people let their cats roam around. When I was younger, we had a couple of cats and they were not allowed to roam around the neighborhood. They stayed in the house, and if they went outside, we had to stay outside with them until it was time to come back in. They were not allowed to roam around the neighborhood. But for anybody who may find this video, what do you think? Do you think that cats should stay in the house? Or do you think that they should be allowed to have their freedom and to be able to roam around wherever they want to?